How to add subdomains in Hostinger step by step. Hello everyone and welcome back. So if you're someone that wants to add subdomains to their Hostinger domain, you can do it in a few simple easy steps. First off, just click on domains on the left, and once you do that, you're going to see all of your domains. Click on the domain where you want to add your subdomains, and once you see your domain information, you can see your main menu. Then you have your DNS. Below that, you have your basic domain ownership and your DNS records. So whenever you proceed on to domains, you have your domain portfolio and then websites. Now, whenever you have websites and you have used the Hostinger website builder, you can add subdomains over there. But for this, you're going to click on manage and you're going to scroll down. From here, you want to create your website and get hosting. And from here, you can see we have the ability to get a professional mailbox for free and forward our domains. When you get your forwarding here, you are able to create your own subdomains on Hostinger as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.